Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I begin my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Fathma Arifah and my last three digits of ID number is 007. Before I continue my presentation, I would like to ask a question. Have you ever wondered why students can memorize the stage of plant reproduction but still difficult to truly understand how the process works? Of course, this happens because learning is often focused on memorization rather than understanding. As a result, students may remember the stage but they do not fully grasp the concept or how it applies in real life. And today I would like to present my digital poster titled Applying Constructivist Learning Theory to the Plant Reproduction Cycle. In this presentation, I will explain how a constructivist approach can help students better understand this topic. Now, let's move to the background. In many classrooms, learning is still teacher-centered, where students mainly listen and take notes. This makes students passive learners and limits their opportunity to explore and think critically. As a result, their understanding of scientific concepts, including plant reproductions, becomes superficial. To solve this problem, we can use constructivist learning theory. Constructivist learning theory emphasizes Constructivist learning theory emphasizes that students actively build their own understanding based on their prior knowledge and experience. In this approach, learning is student-centered. Students are encouraged to explore, ask questions, and connect new information with what they already know, while the teacher acts as a facilitator. Now let's connect this theory to the science topic. The plant reproduction cycle is a biological process that occurs in several stages. It begins with pollination, which is the transfer of pollen from the anther to stigma. This is followed by fertilizations, where male and female gametes combine to form a zygote. The zygote then develops into seed containing a plant embryo. Under suitable conditions, the seed germinates and grows into a new plant. These continuous cycles allows plants to reproduce and survive. So, how is constructivism applied in learning this topic? In constructivist classroom, students are not only given information, but they are actively involved in the learning process. For example, students can observe real plants or learning media, then identify and arrange the stages of the reproduction cycle. They can also discuss their ideas with their peers and explain their understanding. Through this activity, students construct their own knowledge, making learning more meaningful. As a solution, applying constructivist learning can improve student understanding of scientific concepts. By involving students in active learning, observations, and discussions, they are able to connect theory with real life experience. This not only helps them understand better, but also makes the knowledge more lasting. In conclusions, they use constructivist learning theory in teaching the plant reproduction cycle can help students more can help students move from memorizing to truly understanding. It creates a more meaningful learning experience and support the development of critical thinking. I think it's enough for my presentations. Thank you for your kind attention. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.